Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Guadalupe County, north central Wilson County, northeastern Bexar County, south central Comal County, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Garden Ridge to near Marion to 8 miles southeast of Seguin, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, Church, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, Randolph Air Force Base, Windcrest, Garden Ridge, McQueenie, St. Hedwig, La Vernia, Marion, Kingsbury, Santa Clara, New Berlin, Ville, and Converse. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The New Braunfels climate summary for this evening.